Typedef in Systemverilog. The keyword typedef is used to create user-defined data types which are derived from the standard data types. Its usage is similar to the type definitions in C or C++. User-defined types allow new type definitions to be created from existing types. Once a new type has been defined, variables of the new type can be declared. Its syntax is typedef, data type, name of user-defined type. Here is an example. If you add a type definition as typedef logic 15 down to 0 my data word, it add one more type to the existing data types in Systemverilog with name my data word. Now you can define variables of type my data word as shown here. After compilation, W1 and W2 will be of type logic 15 down to 0. This might seem to be an annoying feature, but its actual advantage is when you add typedef to enumeration and structures. Now you will see how it is. Here is the same example from previous session where you learned enumeration. If you need to use this enumeration in multiple modules, you need to define the same in all modules, which will be tedious and vulnerable to mistakes. Here a type definition can be added. Once you define the enumeration as a new data type, you can declare variable of that type, any number of times in any modules. Here a typedef was added to the enumeration with name axi_channel_t. It is a good practice to name all the type definitions with _t at the end to indicate that it is a type definition. Type definitions are usually used with structures and enumerations.